Looking for the best projector ceiling mount that are actually worth your money? Today, I picked the top 5 best projector ceiling mount that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Projector Projector Ceiling Mount. The Projector Projector Ceiling Mount is a versatile and well-built mounting solution that goes beyond supporting projectors, offering compatibility with manual and spectrum projector screens as well as video cameras, laptops, and other electronic devices. Its durable 13.77-inch by 8.66-inch metal tray safely supports up to 22 pounds, providing excellent stability for a wide range of equipment. The adjustable extension arm, ranging from 14.17 to 21.65 inches, allows users to position devices at the perfect viewing height for home theaters, classrooms, offices, or studios. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware kit and clear step-by-step instructions, making setup quick even for first-time users. An integrated cable management system neatly conceals wires, creating a clean, organized, and professional-looking installation. Backed by responsive customer support, the Projector mount delivers impressive flexibility, durability, and convenience, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking a secure and adaptable ceiling mounting solution. Next up is Projector Ceiling Mount. The Universal Projector Ceiling Mount is a dependable and space-saving solution designed to securely support most projectors weighing up to 30 pounds with mounting hole patterns ranging from 2.83 to 11.42 inches. Constructed from heavy-duty cold-rolled steel, it provides outstanding durability and stability, making it suitable for concrete, brick, or wooden stud ceilings. Its flexible adjustment features, including plus or minus 15 degrees tilt, plus or minus 20 degrees swivel, and full 360 degrees rotation, allow precise alignment for the best possible viewing experience, even on sloped ceilings. The low-profile design positions the projector just 5 inches below the ceiling, creating a clean, professional installation without sacrificing accessibility. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the included hardware, detailed instructions, and convenient quick-release hooks that simplify mounting and maintenance. Overall, this mount offers an excellent combination of strength, versatility, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for home theaters, classrooms, conference rooms, and office presentations. Coming in at number 3 is PegZone Projector Ceiling Mount. The 3-in-1 universal projector mount is a highly versatile and durable mounting solution designed to accommodate a wide range of installation needs. Whether used as a flush ceiling mount, an extendable ceiling bracket, or a wall mount, it offers exceptional flexibility for home theaters, classrooms, and office presentation spaces. Built from premium heavy-duty steel, it securely supports projectors weighing up to 44 pounds while reinforced joints and anti-slip pads ensure outstanding stability for vibration-free image projection. Its adjustable design features plus or minus 15 degrees tilt, plus or minus 8 degrees swivel, and generous extension ranges for both ceiling and wall installations, making it easy to achieve precise screen alignment from virtually any angle. Broad compatibility with popular projector brands such as Epson, Bank, Acer, Vankyo, and ViewSonic adds to its convenience, while the included drilling template, mounting hardware, and built-in cable management simplify installation and create a clean, professional appearance. Overall, it delivers an excellent balance of strength, flexibility, and ease of use for any projection setup. Now number 4, Projector Ceiling Mount. This projector wall and ceiling mount offers a practical, reliable, and cost-effective solution for securely installing projectors in homes, offices, classrooms, and entertainment spaces. Designed to support devices weighing up to 22 pounds 10 kilograms, it provides broad compatibility with most mainstream projector models, eliminating concerns about fit. Its flexible adjustment system allows users to easily customize height and viewing angles, ensuring optimal image alignment for various room layouts and screen positions without requiring additional mounting accessories. The included installation hardware and detailed step-by-step instructions make setup straightforward, even for beginners, while the sturdy construction keeps the projector firmly in place for stable, vibration-free performance. A built-in cable management system neatly conceals and organizes power and video cables, creating a cleaner, safer, and more professional-looking installation while reducing cable wear over time. Overall, this mount combines durability, adjustability, and ease of installation, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable projector mounting solution. And finally, our last pick is Projector Ceiling Mount. This universal projector ceiling mount is a dependable and versatile solution for securely installing most standard and mini projectors in home theaters, offices, classrooms, and conference rooms. Constructed from durable steel, it supports up to 30 pounds, providing excellent stability and long-lasting performance. Its wide compatibility accommodates projector mounting hole patterns from 5.25 inch to 12.5 with extension arms or 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches without them for mini projectors, though users should verify compatibility with their specific model before purchase. The fully adjustable design offers plus or minus 15 degrees tilt, plus or minus 15 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation, allowing precise image alignment and optimal viewing from virtually any seating position. With a sleek low-profile design that positions the projector just 6 inches below the ceiling, it delivers a clean, professional appearance while maximizing room space. Quick-release hooks simplify installation, removal, and maintenance, making this mount an excellent combination of durability, flexibility, and user-friendly convenience for a wide variety of projector setups. So those were the top 5 best projector ceiling mounts you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.